How to remove private browsing in Safari. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open Safari on your device, and now if you tap on the tabs icon on the bottom right of your screen, you will see the private mode and the tabs option. So make sure to tap on the tabs option in order to switch yourself from private mode to normal Safari tab mode. Now, if you want to completely disable Safari from the private browsing, then simply go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device and tap on the Screen Time option there. Further, in Screen Time, tap on the Content and Privacy Restrictions option and then tap on the App Store, Media, Web, and Games option you see there. Further, go ahead and select the Limit Adult Website option you see there, and now if you go back and open Safari and then tap on the tabs option on the bottom right of your screen, then as you can see here, the private mode tab has been disabled completely. So this is how you can remove private browsing in Safari. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.